Working out, eating right, still not losing weight? Chances are it's not what you're doing, it's what you don't realize you're doing. These 8 everyday habits silently block fat loss, even if you're trying hard. Stick around. Number 6 fools almost everyone. Skipping breakfast slows your metabolism and spikes cravings later. Your body thinks it's in starvation mode and stores fat. Fix it. Eat a light, protein-rich breakfast within 1 hour of waking. Even mild dehydration can reduce metabolism by 3%. It also confuses hunger signals, making you snack more. Fix it. Start your day with 1 glass of water before anything else. Sitting for long hours slows blood flow and reduces fat-burning enzymes. Even a workout can't undo 8 hours of sitting. Fix it. Take 5 minutes standing or walking breaks every hour. Sleep is when your body burns fat and resets hormones. Less sleep equals more cravings and stubborn belly fat. Fix it. Aim for 7 to 9 hours and avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Healthy snacking all day keeps insulin levels high and fat burning low. Your body needs breaks between meals to access fat stores. Fix it. Stick to 3 balanced meals and 1 snack if truly hungry. Rushed eating confuses fullness hormones and leads to overeating. You may be eating more than you realize. Fix it. Put your fork down between bites and chew mindfully. Sugary coffee drinks, smoothies, and juices can sneak in hundreds of calories. They don't fill you up, but they still spike blood sugar. Fix it. Stick to water, tea, or black coffee between meals. The scale can mess with your motivation. Weight fluctuates daily due to water, salt, and hormones, not just fat. Fix it. Weigh once a week or track inches, energy, and how your clothes fit. Weight loss isn't just about calories and workouts, it's also about habits. Fix just 2 of these mistakes this week, and you'll start seeing changes. Which habit surprised you the most? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more daily tips from Prime Fit Flow.